guys, I wish you guys come back for our next show.
Yeah!
Yes, Whiskey isang restaurant lang yan, okay na sa...
Hindi, ano ka ba? Hindi tayo bagay doon sa mga ganito tayo.
Hindi, gusto mo kasi kasama sila, nakikita ko sila, nakakakit sila sa stage.
Ay nako, gusto mo lang kumain ng kare-kare. Hindi, after that, ako
gusto ko. Sinong gusto magluto?
Kanina pa humingi ng adobo para niyo ng awa. Palutan niyo na siya ng adobo dyan kung may dala kayo. Lalo na lang nagugutom kasi itong dating asawa ko.
Pinakasal lang dahil gusto ko akong pakapilin.
Yun din. Kasi magaling akong magluto. Alam mo, binabastos natin yung kanta ko. Huwag na. Okay.
Ako'y gusto ko na magluto ka habang buhay ko. Ladies and gentlemen,
So ito tatanong ko.
magpihis ka na para...
Gusto mo akong gawing cook?
Hindi, gusto kong maging akin ka lang. Sharon!
Galing talaga.
Okay, but we are singing together. You're thanking me. I cannot go pa. We have jewel pa.
Gusto mo talagang kasama?
Alam mo, tanggalin mo kasi yung salamin mo. Hindi mo nakikita.
Sabihan mo ako at huwag mo akong iiwanan. Right? Should we stay or should we go? Should we stay or go?
Oh, tutulakan na naman. Gatahin na natin.
We should stay.
Mamaya, we are not poets.
Sorry, nahulog.
We should stay.
Nahulog.
Should we stay or should we say goodbye?
Nakakangawit to, ha?
Question and answer. Walk away or give it one more try. What a waste to let our dreams just fly. And as the days go by, we'll always wonder why. Keep doing.
Masaya ka?
Okay yan.
Masaya ka sa rin.
Gusto ba? Okay. Ano?
Are we glad to find one day we're free?
Masaya ba yun?
Is this what we really want to be? Our new lives need to have so much. It really is so tough. If love is not enough.
Tell me why did we find each other? Only to part ways in the end. Tell me how we learned to love each other. And tell me what to do.
Was
it pride that made us hurting words we should not even say? Hold my hand, straight in my eyes, and we can say goodbye. One more Okay. Ano to? Magbibihis muna ako. Ikaw muna dyan. Excuse me, I will just make palet.
Palakpakan
At
ko.
samba.
Palakpakan ko para rin.
Yung pag nag-gown. I won't get it muna.
Palakpakan ko. Grabe. Palakpakan!
Parang kang si Vice ganda ako si Ann.
Hindi. Ano ba yung patayin niya? Ayokong masaktan siya ng kahit na anong paraan. Ano ba?
Ta-ta-ta-ta. Wow! Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Especially for Hawaii, di ba?
Alam mo kung napanood kita noon?
Mas maaga tayo naghiwalay.
Wow!
Di ba talaga Hawaiian?
Mo ginagawa yun. Pero napaka-cute, napaka-cute.
Thank you. Cause we're cute.
Pwede ba natin ulitin yun?
Huwag na nakakahiya, baka ma-inlove ka sa akin. Mahirap na maraming masasaktan.
Okay, napaka-sentimental talaga ng pagsasama.
Huwag na yung salamin na yan, ilayo mo na.
Napaka-sentimental talaga ng mga kanta namin.
Ayun, yung Hawaiian.
Ang pagsasama namin talaga. Mahigpit na mahigpit ang aming relationship.
Opo. And that is because this song, halika niya, started it all.
Ito ka sa left ko.
Ayan, ayan.
Yan, yan.
Ganito kaming love team. Ako sa left siya.
Mga ka-dear heart, kamusta kayong lahat?
Are you having fun? Yay!
You know, now I do realize na kaya tayo nagsasamang lahat because we all watched the movie Dear Heart. Tama ba? And, you know, don't get me wrong, but we do, nag-usap kami, we do really appreciate your presence at sa lahat ng mga ginawa namin mga shows because kung hindi naman din host sa inyong lahat, eh wala rin namang manonood ng mga Dear Heart at lahat ng mga pelikulang ginawa namin.
Yeah. You know, the last show, di ba, I got emotional because I said, when I lost you, I thought I lost all of them also. But you never left us. Kahit hiwala yung work namin, you were still supporting and loving us. And we're so grateful to you. Salamat po. That, you know, we're still doing what we love because of your love and support. And we're very grateful. And now that we're together, you're still here. Thank you so much po.
Hindi lang mo sa Dear Heart yun. P.S. I love you.
My only love.
Dapat ka bang mahalin? At kung ano-ano pa.
Sa hirap at ginawa.
Hirap at ginawa. Pagtibang pintig ng puso. So,
Bakit ikaw pa rin and tayong dalawa? Yeah.
so, because of all these movies, gusto po namin parinig sa inyo. Actually, ako rin manonood ako dun sa likod. Kakantahin mo yung mga... Hindi. Sasabayan lang kita.
Sige.
Sasabayan lang kita.
But this is
Let's sing
where it
the
all
song.
started.
Yes, let's sing the song for everybody.
Yes. From the bottom of our hearts.
Ikaw na, dear.
Don't kwento. When he was 17 when we did that movie, did you grow up with us? Tapos your kids, do they know us? Because you were watching our movies, that's why we love you so much.
I have a question. Sino sa inyo ang nandito ngayong gabi na hindi nakapanood ng Dear Heart?
It's on YouTube now, it's easier, it's free.
Hindi nga. Kasi kanina nung binili ko to, meron ako nakilala doon, sabi niya, oh, I'm gonna watch your show tonight because my...
Force of habit.
Sabi niya, my... Sinasabi ko.
Sinasabi si Sisi.
I'll see you in Europe, guys.